After I learned this chicken recipe, it became my family's favorite. Start by cutting 300 g of chicken and transfer to a bowl. This little chicken will be the star of our show. Now add a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of powdered ginger, pepper to taste and salt to taste. Mix everything with affection, as if you were giving a hug in the flavors. Then it's time for the special trick. Add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix everything very well. This will leave our chicken with that crunch everyone loves. In a pan with hot oil on medium heat, pour the breaded chicken pieces and fry until golden brown. The smell will invade your kitchen and leave you with water in your mouth. When the chicken is at the desired point, remove from the pan and set aside. Now, let's make this recipe shine even more. Cut half a unit of green pepper, half a unit of red pepper and half a unit of yellow pepper. Look at those vibrant colors. Heat a frying pan with olive oil and add half a unit of chopped onion along with the peppers. Let it fry for a minute, and prepare for the wonderful aroma that will emerge. In a bowl, add 120 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 tablespoons of ketchup and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything very well and feel the magic mixture forming. Now, pour this delicious sauce into the frying pan and let it cook for 1 minute. The feast of flavors is just beginning. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in 120 milliliters of water. Now, pour this mixture into the skillet and cook for another 1 minute. Look how the sauce will thicken and be irresistible. Finally, add the chicken to the mix in the frying pan. And here it is. Our sensational chicken is ready to be served, full of flavor and color. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like and follow our page for more amazing tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.